Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I installed this 360 lace wig on my sister, so stay tuned. So the wig that I'll be installing is from WowAfrican, and I'm just gonna unbox this package and show you guys what I received. So I got this thank you card, and it just has some information on it. And then I got a bag with some goodies. So I received a wig cap, a tail comb, a satin edge scarf, these 2 claw clips, and the satin bag with the wig inside of it. So this was a Yaki straight wig, and guys, when I opened the package I was amazed because it came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. You didn't have to do anything to it. Like, I did absolutely nothing to this wig. So this is a luxury wig brand, so you know, you get the good stuff. So this was an 180 density wig. I'm just showing you guys how it looks on my skin. It's an HD wig as well. And if I didn't mention, this is a 20-inch wig. So we have the combs in the wig. There was 2 at the side, 1 at the back. It had an adjustable strap inside of it, so you can take it off, you can make it tight, you can do whatever you want with it. And then I'm showing you the back as well. So as I said before, this is a 360 lace wig. So I'm just showing you guys that you can customize this, wear up in a ponytail however you want. Like, if you want that free style, like 360 is the way to go. So this was a Yaki straight wig, 180 density, like I mentioned. So I'm just showing you guys how the wig looks. And yeah, we're gonna get into this install. So huge shout out to my sister for modeling this wig for me, because I have never applied a 360 lace wig before, but I'm sure, you know, we're gonna do the thing. So I went ahead and braided her hair straight back, and then I'm going in with my got2b free spray and spraying it on her hairline, and using my edge control brush to just brush back any hairs that may be in my way, and using the blow dryer to blow dry it. And we're gonna do this all around her hairline because, as I said before, this is a 360 lace wig. So all around the perimeter of her head we will be applying glue. So once that's done, I'm going in with my wig cap, and I will be doing the bald cap method. So I'm gonna cut where her ears are just so that the wig cap lays flatter. Then I'll be spraying my free spray around her hairline to hold down the wig cap, and using my blow dryer to dry it. And once it's dried, I will go ahead and cut off the extra wig cap. But you also want to make sure you add the foundation or the concealer to match the skin complexion as well. So I'll be using the same concealer on the wig cap and on the back of the lace of the wig. Next, I'll be applying my Bold Hold Active Glue around her hairline. So I'll be working with the front portion first and then gluing the back afterwards. So I did go ahead and I think I went over her hairline twice with the glue. So you want to apply the glue and then spread it out. I used the back of my tail comb and then I applied the second layer right after. So once it was dried, I just put the wig on, and I didn't cut her ear tabs, which I normally would. So you want to go ahead, cut the ear tabs, make sure the wig is fitting. Thank God the wig fit her head because I didn't try it before. So yeah, then you just want to make sure the frontal portion is sitting on the glue. And once I've done that and it's sitting where I want it to sit, I did go in with my Ebin adhesive spray, and I used the black bottle and I just sprayed it around her hairline. And once I sprayed it, I used my melt band to hold it down until it was dry. So once the front portion is dried, I'm just going to remove the melt band and glue down the back. And when I glue down the back, I'm gonna go ahead and reapply the melt band so that it can sit and dry.
She wanna know me, I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. You should slide on me, keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me.
Now that I'm waiting for the back of the lace to dry, I went ahead and straightened out the hair. So I went in with my Dax and my Bow Silk as always, and I'm just using that on her hair. And I will be straightening it with my Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Flat Iron. So yeah, that's what we are going to be doing now.
One time if you lie with me, just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
So once I finish flat ironing the wig, I'm going to remove the melt band. And because I used the adhesive spray, I had to go in and comb out the hairline because it does get hard. And once I've combed it out, I'm just using my hot comb to press it out. And I do this all the time, guys. It doesn't matter, frontal, closure, I do this all the time. And I am applying some more of the concealer to the lace, and I'm just gonna go ahead now and cut off the lace. I am using a razor. You could use scissors, but I do suggest you go in that zigzag motion to make it jaggedy and not look straight. Now I'm just going in with my spritz and I'm spraying it along her hairline just to give it a better blend. I think this helps to blend the lace in with the skin. So I'm just spraying that on her hairline, retying it with the melt band and allowing it to dry. So once all the lace is off and it's sticking to her skin, because this is kind of difficult, guys, I am not gonna lie to you. I just made sure to just glue it down the best I could. And then, yeah, this is how it's looking. So I decided to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb to just press down the front part. Honestly, you really don't need to, because this wig came really good. Like, it was already flat, but I just did this step anyways. So once I pot combed it, I am just going to part out some baby hairs for her. We're only doing like 2 swoops on the sides. So you see me parting that out. I am also gonna press it out with my hot comb because I find it easier to press it out in the direction that it's going. So I'm gonna press it out, cut it, and then make my swoops. Now that the baby hairs are done, I am basically finished. So I'm going in with my gloss spray and I'm just spraying it on her hair and as well as on the lace. And this is how it's looking close up, guys. I think I did a pretty good job. So yeah, I want to shout out WowAfrican for sponsoring today's video, for sending me this wig. And if you guys are interested, all the details on this wig will be down in my description box below. They also sell all types of other wigs, so you guys can check them out if you're interested. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a like. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you have made it this far. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys have tried these 360 wigs. This was my first time. So if you guys have any tips and tricks, you know, leave them down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks again for watching.